Hello, welcome to Benmarks Motors. Today we've got a lovely Volkswagen Golf. It's finished in the most sought after colour, Lapiz Blue. It's a brilliant colour this. On these we have the upgraded 18-inch alloy black wheels. Got a really nice sharp contrast with the rest of the car. As you go around, obviously you'll notice the added extras. It's got a Maxton Design styling pack on, so you get the front splitter. And there's a rear diffuser and boot spoiler as well, which we'll show you now. So there we go. That's the diffuser at the top up there, and the nice at the bottom. It's a lovely car this one. It's got a quad exhaust system, which sounds fantastic. My colleague will jump in a bit and start it up for you. Obviously it comes with a private registration included, which is R Power. Obviously R700, but if you ignore the 700, it's R Power. There we go. This is the 2-litre turbocharged engine, which produces 310 brake horsepower. It's a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox, really smooth and responsive on this one. And it is the 4Motion all-wheel drive, which basically grips brilliantly in any type of weather. There we go. I've not showed you this side of the car yet. Turn the wheels out so you can see them properly. Got obviously the R detailing on the calipers as well. Lovely in black. Really match those black alloys. Right, let's just jump in the car. The window is down, it does come with a window. There we go. Lovely styling inside. Do have the keys with me, so I'll style her up. There we go. Just shut the door. There we go. I know you'd probably rather listen to the radio, but you've got me instead. It's a lovely cockpit on this one. It's got all the futuristic dash. So obviously you've got your heads-up display, your infotainment unit on here as well. With here, obviously you've got your radio. You can change the media, so you can have AUX, or you can connect your phone to it, which is with these ones here. You can talk to your car as well. So if you're needing friends, you can talk to your car. So you've got the navigation system here, which is linked up to here as well. So as you're driving, rather than having to look down there, you can look straight up ahead there as well. And there's lots of other menus and stuff to play about with on here, including all your car settings, and you can click menu and upgrade the full amount. As we go down, obviously I did say it was the 4Motion, so you've got a really lovely gear selection here. Button in the top, all the way down, and there we go. Obviously, as you can see, that's put it into drive there as well. You can obviously put it down one more time, which I'll show you. We'll put it into sport, so that it is now in sport, and you will hear the revs as well. I'll put that back in park. Obviously, as you can see, it's got the 4Motion badge down there as well. There's some really nice storage in here as well. There's storage absolutely everywhere in this car. As you can see, obviously got it down here as well. Obviously you've got your port here and your electric handbrake there as well. Got more storage in here. Absolutely loads of storage for all your bits and bobs. Obviously your passenger seat with the FR logo on the seats there, so you can really see it on there. There you go, there's it. One more time from the outside. As you can see, it's a fully digital dash, basically customizable and really clear to use. Then we've got that premium trim, and then obviously on the seats, as I've just showed you, you've got that FR trim there as well. Really lots of space on this one. The 60/40 split on the back seats with electrical windows, and obviously you've got your aircon units in the back as well there. You've got a lovely pull down unit here for all your cups and stuff as well, which can actually go straight through into the boot. So you can actually get straight into the boot in there as well. It just falls down like that. Right. in if that's alright. Jamie, managed to come in for us. He's going to give it a bit of a rev for you so you can hear it at the back. Obviously, as I said at the beginning of the videos, that is the spoiler and the diffuser at the top as well. Maxton Design really add to the design of the car in this one. There it is, that crackle and pop. Every boy racer's dream, that one. Thanks, Jamie. So there you go. As I said, lovely colour this, it's that Lapiz Blue. So just to recap off, it's only done 54,000 miles from new. It's got excellent maintain, it's got 7 service stamps. It has had its recent DSG and Haldex service as well, which we do have proof in the butt pack. Obviously it drives brilliantly. It will come supplied with 2 keys and 12 months warranty for that extra peace of mind. Obviously it's here now at Benmarks Motors. Thank you for watching.